Hi loves. Ooh, I know I look a little crazy right now. I ain't mean to scare you, bitch. We all know how Crocs came out with the fur Crocs. And I bet they super duper comfy, but to me, they don't really look cute. However, I was scrolling down the interwebs and I stumbled across this picture of a bunch of furry Crocs. And I was like, yes, these right here, that's a hit. And immediately, an idea sparked in my head like, ooh, I want to make some. I want to make some of my own. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to make my own fur Crocs. If you guys want to learn how to do them yourself or see what mine turn out like stay tuned because why not? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think of my Crocs or whatever. But yes, we're going to get straight into it. Step one though. Step one. I got to clean them. So that's what we're about to do. You see these? These are the befores. They're super dirty. Like, I've had them for a minute and I don't think I've ever cleaned them. So, yikes! I'm about to deep clean them, and then we're gonna get started with like the fur and everything. So yeah. This is just the soap I'm using. It was like a little bit of dish soap left in, and I just mixed it with some water. And then we just got some regular plain old water, and we about to scrub them, double them. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure they super duper clean. I tried to get it as new looking as I could, as long as you just get them clean. So I'm sitting here thinking, I don't know how I want to do the fur. If I want to do it like, cause I got two colors. I got pink and I got white. I don't know if I want to do it all just white or all just pink or mixing pink and white. I was kind of thinking about mixing the pink and the white, but I'm not sure. I'm about to try to get an idea, see what I'm feeling, you know? Like this, for an example, I don't know if I want it all pink or if I want it all white, or if somehow like I mix the pink and the white together. Like I'm really trying to just get an idea, a feel for everything, and I am not sure. I'm thinking I'm gonna lean towards all white, but at the same time, I kind of like the way the all pink look. You know, you got pink on pink. They don't match, but it's pink. But the white match with everything. Decision. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna go with all white because white matches with everything, and I don't know. I think it'll pop a little more, especially with the jewels. I made my own little jewels to go on my little Crocs. If you guys want like a little tutorial or something, let me know because it's super easy. I just made them. So I'm thinking like the white would really match with these. So I think I'm gonna do all white. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna measure with the boa around the whole perimeter of this little opening for the Croc, and then I'm gonna cut it. Glue right along here, so literally right around the opening, right on that edge. I'm gonna use hot glue. I'm trying to place it so where the band is down and all the feathers are facing as up as I can get them. So basically whichever side is fluffier, that's the side that I want facing up. Literally right along the band right there, I'm gonna place a little bit of glue. Feathers out the way, and literally place it right here on the band, and do that all the way around. all the feathers are glued on, we're gonna go through and fix these feathers up. So this is what the first shoe looks like, all feathered up and feathered down. It is really comfy. Alright, now I'm gonna do this one, and I'm gonna do this one more up close so you can see more of what I'm doing. Okay, so the first thing I do, you want to lift this part up, and you're applying glue to this part of the Croc. Just apply a little bit at a time, like that. You want to grab your fur, recognize where you want to place it at, and place it right on top of the hot glue. You can hold it for a few seconds, and then you add more glue and just keep placing it until you get all the way around. So these are what the shoes are looking like now. Excuse them blowing in the wind. For some reason the heat decided to kick on as soon as I pressed start, so that's that. But these are what they are looking like. I know I said the Crocs with the fur on the inside was ugly, but forget that. I'm a believer now because I want some fur on the inside. I think that would be so cute. So I guess I had to see it in person to believe it. Whatever. I think I'm gonna get some more fur and add some on the inside. And that end is really soft, so I think it would feel good on my feet. I also made my own clips and charms. You know how you could get charms to customize your Crocs or whatever. So I made these, and they are super cute. So y'all, I gotta give myself a round of applause because I finished the Crocs and they are they are so cute. So cute. They actually came out very similar to how I planned them out in my head. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all, okay? They look so good. Hire me for the Crocs. Yep. Da-dum. Da-dum. Oop. Hold on, let me make sure my carpet clean on me. Da-dum. 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 You see these? Oh my goodness. Hold on. Hold on. It's the details. You peeped our details. These are the finished Crocs. I am so excited. They look so cute. The bottoms look like after they got cleaned. They're so cute. Yeah.